Hi, my name is Hadasha. So many people are wondering whether or not they should use micellar water, makeup remover, or toner. Let's find out. Mary Kay Oil-Free Eye Makeup Remover gently removes eye makeup, even waterproof mascara. It doesn't leave the skin feeling oily, and you can even wear it if you wear contacts. You would use the oil-free eye makeup remover before micellar water. Be sure to shake the bottle until the solution is blended, then saturate a cotton pad or cotton ball and swipe across the eye area. Mary Kay Micellar Water is a gentle and versatile way to cleanse the skin. It helps to remove impurities and helps to break down facial makeup. To use, saturate a cotton pad or cotton ball and swipe across your skin. You can do this as a quick cleansing step without rinsing or as a double cleansing step before using a second facial cleanser. Be sure to avoid your eyes as micellar water is not an eye makeup remover. Toners. So toners are used as a refreshing post-cleansing step. They can be used to tighten the appearance of pores, remove excess oil, and even dead skin cells, thus leaving your skin looking healthy and refreshed. For toners, saturate a cotton pad or cotton ball and swipe across your skin after the cleansing step. So now you know that you can and should use all three: oil-free eye makeup remover, micellar water, and a toner. Contact your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant for more information on these products. Thank you guys so much for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more videos.